I am going to show you how to make ceviche to die for. I'll show you all the ingredients. I'll show you how easy it is. It's keto friendly. It's super healthy. It's something for the holiday season. All right, number one, perhaps the most important ingredient of this whole thing when you're making ceviche is fish. Fresh fish. Fishermen have such an advantage over everybody else because you can't buy this in the market. But if you go out and catch it, I'm telling you, it will make all the difference in the world to your ceviche. It's a good reason for you ladies to look for a fisherman for a boyfriend or a husband because the ceviche is to die for when you get it fresh from the sea. Number two, we're going to use fresh ingredients. That means real tomatoes. We definitely want to use that all cut up into nice little pieces like that. We're going to salt and pepper those also. And our cebollas or our onions. We've got those all ready to go. Also, we're also going to insist that you use fresh lime. I know it's a pain in the neck. It's more trouble than it seems like it's worth, but it makes such a great difference in your ceviche. Yes, that is all ready to go. And of course, some cilantro all chopped up and ready to go. And one thing I want to make clear to everybody out there is that you can make this your own creation. If you want to add garlic, you want to add some chili dulce, some jalapenos, anything you want to add, make this your piece of art. First thing we're going to do is we're going to combine the fish with the lime juice, then we're going to put it aside for a couple of hours. Let it cook. The acid in the lime will actually cook the fish, and then we're going to add all the other goodies. All right, we're going to add our fish now. As you can see, we want to make sure that that fish is covered up by all that fresh lime juice. So we definitely want to mix it in there. If we have to squeeze a few more limes, we're definitely going to do it. And then we're going to take this beautiful mixture here and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, 4 hours. You can even do it overnight, but 4 hours is usually perfect. We'll add salt and pepper in just a little bit. All right, we've had our fish in there for about 2 hours. You can see it's turning white, so it is already starting to cook. We're going to add our ingredients now. I've already poured off the excess lime juice. You'll definitely want to do that to this California rockfish. All kinds of different fish will work great here. We're going to add our tomato. I want to salt and pepper that just a little bit more for now. So we've added some sea salt to that and a little bit of pepper. And then we are going to add our cilantro, of course. You know, you can do that to taste. You don't like cilantro, some people don't add it. And then our onion. And then we're going to mix that all together. I've got a couple of other ingredients that I want to talk to you about, but man, just look at the colors. I mean, for Christmas or New Year's, just as beautiful as you could want it. And that fresh fish from the sea. This case, it was California rockfish. It is so beautiful. Make sure you mix it up really, really, really well. Now, some people will find this a little too acidy, or the acidity level might be a little high. One thing we can do to cure that is add some clamato, and I love some clamato in my ceviche, so we've added that. We're going to mix that up. Then we're going to put this back in the refrigerator. Salt and pepper to taste. Look at that, looking beautiful. And if it's still got an acid taste to you, something that some people think is blasphemy, but a lot of people use it, is some ketchup. And I'm not going to use it right now because I do feel like it's blasphemy. No, actually I don't. Sometimes it comes in really handy. So there you have it. Look at that. It looks so good. It's perfect for the holiday season. Festive, delicious, keto friendly, healthy. Man, you are going to have such a great dish. So easy to prepare. Enjoy, my friend. And now the moment of truth. Like I would really tell you if it sucked. No, I would tell you. Let's try it. Looks so good. So fresh. Oh my God. It's so good. You're going to love it. Happy holidays, everybody. Enjoy your ceviche. It is so good.